How do you start meditating? It's simple, bro. Just practice solely, concentrating on a single thing for a certain amount of time. It is literally that fucking simple. So let us teach you how to start meditating the right way with the 3-step meditation protocol. Why meditate? With my protocol, a football player who trains specifically focusing his needs for years will always be miles better than the player who is practicing for years without realizing what he needs. The same mindset is with meditation. When you practice meditation without understanding what you are doing, it will be harder for you to make meditation daily part of your routine when you are starting out to meditate. The same thing happened with me. So let's teach you the 3-step meditation protocol. Step 1. Be mindful of the present moment. Focus on something that is happening right now. Maybe the surrounding sounds, feelings, emotions, and so on. But we do it my way. Make a straight back, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Focus on your breath. Exhale and keep focus on the breath. Step 2. Realize your thoughts are drifting away. Now, as you are focusing on your breath, your mind has wandered and you have many thoughts. Your focus has drifted. This is actually good. This may seem weird, right? But this is actually good, as now you are aware that your focus is drifting away. Do not get annoyed that your mind has drifted elsewhere. Maybe thinking about the girl you like. By the way, there is a video on how to compliment girls on this channel. You may check it out. Now, simply follow step 3. Step 3. Bring back your focus. Now that you are aware that your mind has wandered elsewhere, bring back the focus on your breath. Then repeat the cycle. Meditation while starting out is literally the process of focusing, wandering, and again refocusing. It is literally that simple. Try this protocol for a minute daily and soon it will turn to 3-minute session. Then 3 minutes will turn into 5 minutes. 5 minutes will turn into 10 and 10 will turn into 20 minutes within a couple of months. But it is very important to be consistent with this meditation practice. Show up to meditate even when you don't feel like doing it. You will struggle with being consistent for sure, but don't quit. One tip to stay consistent would be to download a meditation app. I recommend the Medito app. This video is not sponsored by Medito, but it has really helped me while starting. Then set a timer and meditate daily. Remember boys, meditation has many benefits and it is vital we young men integrate meditation as a part of our daily routine. Do not quit and keep meditating, brother. I also do paid coaching calls regarding this topic. I also have a cybersecurity and a marketing firm. And if you are interested in that, the link is in the description below. I hope it helps. See you in the next one, boys.